welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. This is Michelle. I am going to be doing a diptych tonight and I'm going to do a shadow pearl pour. I have been out of certain pouring mediums, so this is kind of a test, and I did a couple of test tiles. Oh my God, I did a whole night full of test tiles and I could not get any pearls, and I was like, what the heck's going on? And the thing I forgot was the gel medium. When you're mixing up your pigments, you have to mix it. I mixed it with this, which is Pebeo Studio Acrylics, and it's the medium, pouring medium. And when I did my pearl mix, I mixed it with this pouring medium, and this is really kind of thick, so I added some of this as well. And just the regular, I'm kind of fudging around with I'm not going to call it a recipe anymore. They're formulas. You know, recipes are for kitchens, and it's, you know, I'm quite close to my kitchen, but I'm calling this the lab. So anyhow, I have taped the backs, put push pins in them, and I've done my sides. I'm going to kind of keep them together so I can get the rhythm. And here's my colors. This is Amsterdam Van Dyke brown, and I put a little bit of ore in it from TLP, and this is ore from TLP. I love this color. I might have to put a little bit of water in each of these. This is sand from Colourarte Primary Elements. This is a combination of Axotoli from TLP, and I put a little bit of ore in here too because it was really super cool. It was a really cool color, and cool meaning on the cool side. And I warmed it up with a little bit of the gold. Colourarte Firefly. It's one of my favorites. And this is Colourarte Bamboo. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of water in each of these. Anyone who's not familiar with my channel, I want to welcome you. And those of you who have been subscribers of mine, I'm so glad you're here. Anywho, ooh, that one's pretty liquidy now. Yeah, they have to be pretty liquidy to do this technique. If you think you have enough water, add more. It's okay if the paints are a little bit thicker than the pearl mix, but not by much. So I finally got some pearls after, whoa, Wilbur, oh no! This happened to me earlier today. Oh, geez Louise. There goes all my ore. No worries, we can save it. Here we go. We're saving it. Yay! Save the ore. Oh my gosh. This serves me right. I should have been using my little sticks. Okay. Yeah, I've been out of practice, so I completely forgot my own recipe, my own formula, sorry. I gotta get used to that myself. So what I'm gonna do I want these really faded? I think I'm gonna put the colors down first because these are all very light colors. And I want them to show through a little bit. But I generally put more on afterwards and blow them out as well with my mouth. All right, poor ore. Oh my gosh. So how am I gonna do this? All right, that's the Axotoli mixed with the gold, and there's the ore. This is the sand color. Here's the Firefly. Let's put it mostly in the middle. And then we can put the bamboo along the sides here. Maybe a little bit in the center. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I need to get a new spatula too. I am going to just mix these colors up a little bit. Oh. Now I'm going to pour you can put this down first, then your colors, and then another one. But I think I wanted this. Let me see how this is going to turn out. Just want to tilt it all off. It looks like I'm going to have some negative space in the center, which is what I really want. But I'm really tilting it hard to get a lot of that off. I got a booger down here. Nice big one. When you tilt one way, you got to tilt the other way too. Okay. Okay, that's one side. And here's the other. I see some boogers as well. You boogers, how did you get in there? Jeez Louise. Well, there's matching boogers. Isn't that something? And yet there are some cells, or there are some pearls starting up already over here. Well, if I'm going to have a booger, at least I can have matching ones, right? What's this? See? Some cells. Whoa, Wilbur. All right, let me, I don't think this is, yep, get off of there. It's not gonna matter too much because you're gonna be blowing this out anyways. I need to get more paint off of here. But you see how the colors are coming through? Now, the Colourarte ones do that on their own. And to help the other pigments like eye candy or TLP, I add a little bit of RIT dye into it and it helps it bleed like this. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Cool Air High fan. That wasn't working too well. I'm gonna go get another hair dryer. I'll be right back. All right, this is a Revlon. I went on to Marketplace and they had this, well, they had a bunch of stuff. I actually went there for something else and I ended up picking this up for $4. Brand new, out of the box. My problem is I didn't leave enough paint on here. A lot of times it's better if you blow with your mouth. The colors come out a lot more. And it's a little bit more organic. I'm going to put a tiny bit of brown in here. And that's how it's done. Oh my. I'm gonna pull those apart. I like it a lot. Yep. And I want you guys to know that all my art is for sale. So if you see something you like, let me know. And you can just write something in the comments if you like. See all the lacing here? Beautiful. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my hair dryers today. It might be that this mixture is a little thick. That's a possibility. The thinner they are, the more they pearl. Well, you don't want water. hope this dries well. See how that's so cool. And I love how it just kind of blends in together. I'm liking these a lot. All right, that's it, that's all. I'll take you down for a close-up in a few minutes. All right, guys, it's been more than a few minutes. I've been editing, so I wanted it to develop a little bit too. Got some pretty, look at that. Yeah. Look at that lacing. So I'm gonna have to fudge around with the recipe. I really want to, I don't know, I'm gonna have to check the price difference with the liquitex pouring medium and the GAC to see if these two might be a better alternative, and play around with the formula, not the recipe, the formula. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Yeah, the Axotoli would, next time I do a piece that has cooler colors, I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. I did put that ore in it, and I really do like that. Pretty, pretty. Yeah, I'm glad I added the brown in the end. It gives it a nice contrast. So you guys have to let me know what you think. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao from now.